Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here and you're gonna learn about filter method in array. So as the name suggests, it filters elements from an array. So this method creates a new typed array with all elements that pass into the test implemented by provided functions. So you need to make a function if that prove that criteria. Again, what it gonna do, it's pass the function. So let me show you. Function is negative. When we do that, pass element comma index comma array. After that, what I'm gonna do is return element zero. Now const int 8, I'm creating a typed array equals new int 8 array. After that, I'm gonna pass a few negative and few positive arrays. So -10 comma 20 comma -30 comma 40, and now the last one -50. So and now what we're gonna do is create another constant and neg int 8 and use int 8 array, this one, and use the filter method and pass the function. This one is negative. When you do that, what it gonna do, capture every negative number inside that. So let me show you. Log it out on console, neg 8. When we do that, it will show every negative number. So -30, -10, -50. This is what it does. It will filter out every condition, and then it take it as that and gonna print it as an array. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.